Shalom! In today's video, we'll be learning the names for the months and days of the week in Hebrew, including how to relate to specific dates. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for a day in Hebrew is yom. 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 The Hebrew week starts on Sunday and ends on Saturday. Each day is named after its place in the order of the days of the week. So, first day, second day, and so on. Sunday is Yom Rishon. Yom Rishon. Yom Rishon. Again, literally, the first day. Monday is Yom Shani. Yom Sheni. Yom Shani. Tuesday is Yom Shlishi. Yom Shlishi. Yom Shlishi. Wednesday is Yom Revi'i. Yom Revi'i. Yom Revi'i. Thursday is Yom Chamishi. Yom Chamishi. Yom Chamishi. Friday is Yom Shishi. Yom Shishi. Yom Shishi. The only day not named after its position in the order of the days of the week is Saturday, which is called Shabbat. 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 This concludes the days of the week. The word for a week is Shavua. 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 The word for today is Hayom. 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 Now, if you want to say what day it is today, you will say Hayom, Yom, and then the name of the day. So if today is Tuesday, you will say Hayom, Yom, Shlishi. The word for tomorrow is Machar. 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 So if today is Tuesday and you want to say that tomorrow is Wednesday, you will say Machar Yom Revi'i. If you want to say what date was yesterday, the word for yesterday is Etmol. 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 The word for was is Haya. Ha-ya. Haya. So again, if today is Tuesday, Etmol Haya Yom Shani. Now we'll go over the months of the year. The word for a month is Chodesh. 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 The name for January is Yanuar. Ya-nu-ar. Yanuar. The name of February is Februar. Feb-ru-ar. Februar. The name for March is März. 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 The name for April is April. 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 The name for May is Mai. 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 The name for June is Juni. 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 The name for July is Yuli. 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 The name for August is August. 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 The name for September is September. 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 The name for October is October. 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 The name for November is November. 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 The name for December is December. 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 Now let's say that you want to relate to a specific month and you want to say the month of June. You will say חודש יוני. חודש יוני. Now let's say that you want to relate to a specific day in the month. So for the first 10 days of the month, we'll be using ordinal numbers. The first, the second, the third, and so on. So March 1st will be הראשון במרץ. הראשון במרץ. הראשון במרץ. March 2nd is השני במרץ. השני במרץ. השני במרץ. March 3rd will be השלישי במרץ. השלישי במרץ. השלישי במרץ. March 4th will be הרביעי במרץ. הרביעי במרץ. הרביעי במרץ. March 5th will be החמישי במרץ. החמישי במרץ. החמישי במרץ. March 6th will be השישי במרץ. השישי במרץ. השישי במרץ. March 7th will be השביעי במרץ. השביעי במרץ. השביעי במרץ. March 8th will be השמיני במרץ. השמיני במרץ. השמיני במרץ. March 9th will be התשיעי במרץ. התשיעי במרץ. התשיעי במרץ. March 10th will be העשירי במרץ. העשירי במרץ. העשירי במרץ. From the 11th on, we'll be using ordinary numbers. 11 במרץ. 11 במרץ. 11 במרץ. To learn how to say the rest of the numbers, click on the card on the corner of the screen. Please let me know in the comments below if there is something specific that you would like to learn. And if you like this video, press like and subscribe so you would be the first to know when I release more videos. For now, thank you for watching, תודה שצפיתם, and להתראות. Goodbye.